Gene editing revolution, CRISPR's role in common health conditions. Unraveling the DNA of hope. In a world constantly on the brink of medical breakthroughs, CRISPR stands out as a beacon of hope. This groundbreaking gene editing technology is not just a tool, it's a revolution, reshaping our approach to combating common health conditions. CRISPR, the genetic superhero. Imagine a world where genetic disorders are a thing of the past, where the blueprint of life can be edited like a text document. That's the promise of CRISPR. Short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, CRISPR is a complex yet elegant tool that allows scientists to modify genes with unprecedented precision. Its simplicity and efficiency have transformed it from a scientific concept into a medical reality. Tackling common health conditions. CRISPR's potential in treating common health conditions is immense. Diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even some forms of cancer are in its crosshairs. By targeting the genetic errors that cause these diseases, CRISPR can effectively rewrite the faulty parts of DNA, offering not just treatments but potential cures. The case of cystic fibrosis. Take cystic fibrosis, for example. This genetic disorder, caused by a mutation in the CFTR gene, leads to severe respiratory and digestive issues. CRISPR technology can theoretically correct this mutation, potentially offering a cure to millions affected worldwide. Sickle cell anemia, a breakthrough in sight. Similarly, sickle cell anemia, a condition where red blood cells assume an abnormal shape, wreaking havoc in the body, is on CRISPR's radar. Recent trials have shown promising results, where patients treated with CRISPR-based therapies have seen significant improvements. Cancer, a new frontier. Even the elusive enemy, cancer, is not beyond the reach of CRISPR. By editing immune cells to better recognize and attack cancer cells, CRISPR is opening new frontiers in cancer treatment, offering a glimmer of hope where traditional therapies have failed. The road ahead: ethical considerations and challenges. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of gene editing are profound. Questions about its misuse, long-term effects, and accessibility need careful consideration. The scientific community is treading cautiously, ensuring that this powerful tool is used for the greater good. A future reshaped by CRISPR. CRISPR isn't just a scientific marvel. It's a herald of a new era in medicine. As we stand on the brink of what could be the most significant medical revolution of our times, the promise of a healthier future seems not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality. With CRISPR, we are rewriting the story of human health, one gene at a time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.